Well, I have a 2002 Jaguar XKR with the broken hydraulic hose on top for the convertible top. So today, Saturday morning, I went to the junkyard. Luckily they have one there. I took the hose out, which looks newer than mine, and I'm going to replace it this morning. So the first thing I do is you remove this to get to the battery, and then remove the cover to get to the hydraulic pump. So this is the pump, and then you go here with this and then turn it anti-clockwise. And you hear bubbles. I already did that, so you don't hear the bubbles. You hear bubbles. So that's the first step. Now, I'm not a mechanic, so what I do is I mark everything I'm taking off, so it'll be easy to put on. So I'm going to mark this lower, and this will be upper, so it'll be UL, and then UL, so I don't forget it, because I'm not a mechanic, but I like to do stuff myself.